Hello everyone. If you are here in this video, your CashApp account might have been banned and you are looking to get it reinstated. Don't worry, I will walk you through the steps to recover your account and get back to sending and receiving money with ease. So let's dive right in. Before jumping into the fix, it is important to understand why your account was banned. CashApp typically bans accounts for violations like suspicious activity, unverified identity, or breaching their terms of service. Review any emails or notifications you receive from CashApp regarding the ban to identify the reason. So now that you have some context, it is time to reach out to the CashApp support. Open the app and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to support, select something else, and then account access issues. Explain the situation in detail, mentioning any emails or reasons you have received about the ban. Be clear and concise to increase your chances of getting help. Now, if the issue involves identity verification, CashApp may require you to provide additional documents, so please prepare to submit a government-issued ID such as driver's license or passport, and follow the steps to verify your identity through the application. So this is a crucial step as failing to provide an accurate details could delay the process. So once you have submitted your request and documents, give CashApp time to review your case. It usually takes a few days, but if you don't hear back, follow up via email or through the app. And there you have it. And that's how you get your CashApp account unbanned. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.